Tasha, well, we could have guessed it, I suppose, judging by how the weekends have gone this year, but we've got more rain chances on the way for the weekend, but it's now looking like it's just one half of the weekend that will be a bit soggy, and then we will try to dry things out. Today, not a very nice looking day. The shore is very cloudy. This is a live look at Margate as the waves roll in. Not a beautiful beach day. In the city, it's a little bit brighter, but it is still on balance a gray day. Right now, it's 63 degrees. We've got winds out of the northeast right now at about 10 miles per hour. Later on today, we're heading for a high of 72, but it does stay cloudy. Expected cloud cover at the height of the day about 92%, and winds out of the southeast at 10 miles per hour. So it stays gray pretty much all day long. You can see the clouds filtering in here out ahead of our next system, and this is what's going to bring the rain chances for the weekend. You can see showers already breaking out over western Pennsylvania. This does not get here until tomorrow morning. In the meantime, it's a cloudy day. We may see some breaks of sun this evening. We'll time out those Saturday showers coming up, and we'll also talk about a warming trend finally with some sunshine. Natasha, I'll send it back to you for now.
All right, Kate, thank you so much.
16, unfortunately. We have some rain, but here's the good news. If you want to look on the bright side, every cloud has a silver lining, right? As we go through the weekend, it looked at one point like Saturday and Sunday might have rain. It's now looking like just Saturday. So I think for people with plans and outdoor birthday parties or weddings, things like that, you'd probably prefer that it were Sunday versus Saturday, but at least it's not both days. And it looks like things may dry out a little bit for Saturday evening for any outdoor events later in the day. But Saturday morning, tomorrow morning, looks like the wettest part of the weekend. Right now, you can see it is still cloudy in Philadelphia. It's looking a little bit brighter, but I don't think we see too much in the way of sunshine today, at least until maybe later on. You might be able to get outside this evening and see some sun. Right now, it's 63 in Philadelphia, 59 degrees there in Trenton, 60 in Atlantic City. So it's comfortable. It's not too chilly. The clouds overnight kept us warmer. And yesterday, we just fell short of that 70 mark. We got close. Even with the clouds all day, 69 degrees was our daytime high. Our average high today at 71.2. Even with the heat we had here and there, we are below average. And today, tomorrow, and Sunday looking to stay at or below average, likely below. But next week, we're going to add some more red squares to the calendar. But let's talk about the rain. We have not been able to put together a 2-day dry stretch or a more than 2-day dry stretch this entire month. We've only had 2 days at a time, and then rain comes back in. 2 days there, rain comes back in. One day, and then today and yesterday will be dry as well. But it has been a while since we've had any kind of a nice, prolonged dry stretch. And again, you can see the first weekend in May, both days were wet. Last weekend, we had the rain on Sunday for the most part, and this weekend, it's on Saturday. So we're trying to scale back the number of rainy weekend days. Unfortunately, it just looks like tomorrow is going to be a bit soggy. We've got clouds in place right now. I want to show you the visible satellite because this really shows a clearer indication, a higher resolution indication of where the clouds are, really blanketing especially South Jersey and the city. But see these breaks over here to the west? As the day goes on, we may start to see some of those breaks get a little bit closer to our region. But look at all this green. Where you see the green here, this is all going to be lifting to the north and east. The deadly storms that impacted East Texas last night moving into the deep south, and that's where the severe weather threat will be. For us, it's just shower chances and maybe some steadier morning rain tomorrow. So cloudy today all across the region, 72 in the city, 65 at the shore, and 72 in the Lehigh Valley. Here's the setup. Again, this system kind of splits apart, so we're looking at this area of rain, which will move in overnight. You can see the clouds trying to break up later this evening. We may get a couple of hours of bright weather, but then here comes the rain again, knocking on the doorstep overnight, and then tomorrow morning starts out with rain. It may be moderate or steady for a time and then tapers to just some scattered afternoon showers. On Sunday, we will likely start out with clouds. It may even be a little drizzly when you wake up, but take heart, got to wait it out. By Sunday afternoon, high pressure tries to build in, and we should see the clouds erode for sunshine from north to south on Sunday afternoon. And that's high pressure setting up overhead, which will bring us a nice, finally dry stretch into the start of next week. So tomorrow, showers around at any time, only in the 60s. Sunday, some sun returns later on at 74. Not a perfect day, but a better day. And then we start to warm up. And it looks like we're going to put together likely a 4-day long dry stretch here, Sunday through Wednesday, which will be the longest stretch of dry weather we've had since the week of April 21st or so. So look at this nice stretch next week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looking great with a thunderstorm chance by Thursday. So things are improving, Natasha. We just have to wait for it. I'll send it back to you.
Okay, at least there's improvement.